Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be unloading some of these, or unbagging some of these. Lovely bag right here. So cute with the daisies. Very light. I love it. It's very spring, dare I say, summery. Can't wait. I would love to have this in a dress and a headband. This would be so cute. Oh, this is the Farrah brushes, and they have like a little daisy design that reflects like the bag, which is really cute. You see the daisies? Oh, that's beautiful. I'll list the prices here and the description. Next thing I have here is Ciate Bamboo Bronzer. Ooh, pretty. I'm wondering if I got this before. I may have. Pretty packaging there, right? I just hate that it might get fingerprints. Yeah, I think I've gotten this before. You see the little stars? Cute, huh? And what shade is this? This is South Beach. Very pretty. So I'm just gonna, oh, it's very smooth too. And that's not bad in the color range. It's a little deep, but I can handle. It doesn't have a scent, which is nice. The next thing I have in here is a mini Masseuse silicone facial cleansing pad from Refreshments. Cute. I keep buying these things and I keep losing them, but I'm hoping I don't lose this one. This has a little like handle in the back. So like if I'm in my bathtub, I can clean them. I don't know. See, it has a little thing there. And this is from the Ipsy subdivision called My Refreshments, because they're starting to show some of their products on their Ipsy main site, which is interesting. What's the next thing in here? The next thing in here that I see is from Pumpkin and Silk. What's this? And this is their Luminous Pre-Makeup Base. So there's the packaging right there. Have like this cling wrap on. Has a slight fragrance. Let's see. Oh, it does look like a bit of a, right? I'll read up on this and see what it does, but it does feel like a silicone primer. Oh, it has a nice, like almost like a fruity floral scent. So if you're not into any scents or fragrances, this may not be for you, but I like the scents. And basically I would just put it around, you know, my critical area, which is here. Maybe put a little on my forehead. But if I'm putting it on wrong, I will put it somewhere in the description in this video I'm writing. I mean, it goes on initially like with a yellow tint. I mean, not yellow, an orange tint. But then it seems to get translucent. But yeah, it definitely has like a sort of sweet plant type of scent. Nice though. Okay, the next thing I have in here, back of my reading glasses, of course, it's a quick slick. Where is this from? Hollywood? No. It says hold my straws or hold my straight. Oh, okay, this is hold my strays. This is the product, Quick Slick, that takes like the baby hairs, because I have, you know, it's supposed to pat them back down, supposedly. So I said, that sounds unique. Maybe I should try that. So yeah, this is called Quick Slick. And it looks almost like a mascara type of jam. Here we go. Okay. This looks like a mascara brush. And it's telling me Quick Slick. So now I'm worried. What does this do? Okay, let me just put it here for a second. Okay, so see, it's clear. See that? Those little like stuffs. Okay, So it looks like, this is so confusing. Okay, so I take this and then I apply it, I think here, to put down the scary flyaways that I get. I guess. I don't know. I don't know if I would use this. This is so weird. It's like, and it's curved too, just like a, I don't know how I feel about that. I really don't know. I mean, I guess. And what's the scent on this? This has like a, it's not like a glue scent, but there's nothing pleasant about the smell. It's sort of like a chemical-like smell with no fragrance. Ooh, this is fancy. This is from Yensa, and this is their Super Serum Silk Foundation. I got a foundation from Yensa. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I like Yensa's like skincare brand. They had, yeah, not bad. Let me try that. Oh, and of course, the ever-present makeup tool. Very good. Very nice. And oops. This is a lip sleeping mask. Ooh, and it smells like a little like lemon, I think. Let's see. Ooh, and it's like a gel. Look at that. Ooh, I was not expecting that. It's almost like a pudding. Oh yeah. Very thick. I thought it smelled like lemon, but it really doesn't. This would have been great if it smelled like a lemon meringue, or like, yeah, like a lemon meringue. It doesn't. It has the texture and look of lemon meringue, but it's not. I'll just show you what it looks like inside. It just feels like goopy petroleum jelly, to be quite honest. There you go. It would have been great if it smelled like, if it was really smelled like lemon. But then some people are not into any kind of fragrances or scents, so I understand that too. Okay, so we have this here, and this is from PYT. It looks like it might be another bronzer, I'm not sure. Huh. But I'm gonna open it and see real quick if I can. Oh, they always say real quick, and then you realize the packaging. The packaging. And again, I will put up all the descriptions and prices up on the screen. This is what it looks like. Very nice. So that's how it looks. It looks like it might be another bronzer, or it might be a blush. I'm not really sure. But again, I will put the description up here as to what it is. Could be either or. Looks like a blush. Very nice. That would be great. Oh, what's this? This is from Kimchi Chic, a set and bake powder. Oh, with the puff puff. It's called puff puff pass. Puff puff and pass. Ooh, kimchi, nice. Packaging is really cute. Let's see if I can open this without. Nope. There we go. Oh, and it reads, Kimchi says, set your makeup with this gorgeous fine powder to ensure all day slayage even when you cry. So it's supposed to not streak. Oh, and I'm loving the packaging in here. Like, is that pretty or is that pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. I'm afraid to open it. But this is the container, typical. It's plastic. It's a big size though. So like you could use a nice powder puff to go, and you're done. It does come with a powder puff, that's nice. It's so fluffy. Really cute, very luxurious feeling. And it has, of course, a, you know, safety tap that I can remove. And it looks, you know, typical of these powders. Little sifter in there built in, so that's nice. It's really, really nice. I don't catch a scent right now, so that's my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm looking at it and I'm like, it says keep growing, and this is the April 2022 bag. It even says in here, it always has some helpful bits, but 3 ways to upcycle your glam bags. I do tend to use them and re-gift them. Puts, you know, like packages and stuff of things that I'll give to like my family and friends. So it works for me. What do you think? What do you think of my selections? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.